Hi guys, so it's the Venom Segmint task and we are going to visit the Venom Testnet website, venom.network/task, and then we are going to tap on Segmint. So the first task on the Segmint page is to follow Segmint on Twitter, so I'll tap on it and then this is their Twitter page. I'm going to tap on the follow button, then I'll return to the Segmint Testnet page. So you can see the task has been marked as done, and then we'll move on to the next task, which is to mint a segment. So I'll tap on the segmint.app there to go to their website. So this is how the Segmint website works. Imagine that on a large advertising billboard, you have the ability to buy just a portion of that billboard, not the entire billboard that people advertise on, but a portion, a small fraction of that billboard. You have the ability to buy it, put your own advertisement there, and also sell that your portion whenever you want. So in the world of blockchain, the Segmint website is this advertisement billboard that you can buy a portion of it. So I'm going to zoom in my screen and you can see all these tiny boxes, the big ones, the medium-sized ones. They are all each a portion of that advertisement billboard that you can mint and then put up your own NFT, and you can also resell these pixels. It is called pixels. So if you want to be able to see the pixels that are empty that you can mint, you're going to go to the top of your screen and you are going to tap on that mint mode to change it to view mode, so that you can be able to see the empty pixels that you can mint and then put up your own NFT there. So I'm going to go to the bottom of my screen and I will choose a pixel that is empty. Okay, so I have chosen a pixel at the bottom of my screen, then I'll tap on mint segment. Then on the top of your screen, you're going to see an option to upload image from your gallery. So I'm going to go into my gallery and then I'll select the picture that I want to use to add to the pixel. You can use any picture that you want. I'll be selecting the picture of a chicken. You can use any random picture in your gallery. Like I said, I was going to use the picture of a chicken, and you can see my picture here. It has been uploaded. Then you're going to enter the title of the picture that you want to upload as your NFT. I just entered any random name. I entered cute chicken with a weird spelling. So you can enter any title. Then add the link. Since we are dealing with testnet, leave the link empty. It is not a real NFT. So after that, you're going to tap on mint segment. And then you are going to confirm the transaction in your wallet. I think it cost about 0.1 testnet Venom testnet token. So I have been able to buy that portion of this advertisement billboard. If you go to the bottom of the screen, you'll see that my chicken at the bottom. That was the pixel that I minted. You'll see that my chicken at the bottom. So you can also go to the My NFT tab to see the image that you have uploaded. That's my chicken right there. Now to go to the My NFT tab, you'll see that at the top of your screen here, My NFT. Then you'll see the picture that you uploaded. And that is the picture of the chicken that I uploaded. So that is all for the Segmint task tutorial. We are going to return to the testnet website and then we'll check if this task has been successfully completed. So you can see it has been marked as done. Then lastly, you are going to mint your Venom NFT for completing this task. So I'll tap on mint NFT. Then I'll confirm that transaction in my wallet. And now the NFT has been successfully minted. Then I will return to the Venom website now, and then you can see that at the point of making this video there was no other task left. Although as at today, I made this video 2 days ago, as at today there is another task, but that will be in the next video. So if you have questions, do drop me a comment. If you have found value, do like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.